Follow the money. Straight to the cashier.
Featured OMNI tracks for Spring 2023. Some people specialize on OMNIs. Very high % wager to win. Here are 50 chances a day. Run a test and see how many you could have won. All tracks have multi-leg wagers and OMNIs. The list of places where you can find wagers of this nature is shortened than the others, because European racetracks, where you find OMNI wagers, are not big fans of the multi-leg wager. North America prefers that. In the new world of internet horse wagering, multi-leg wagers and OMNI bets will be just one new combination heading to most. Trios, double trios, quad wagers, and many more exotic combinations are available around the world and just waiting to separate you from your bank account. Keep it simple, sir or madam. Pick 3 to OMNI to cashier. Can you imagine cheering on all 6 of your horses in a 15 or 20 horse race? You only need any 2 of them to be in the first 3 for you to get your first payout. If you have 3 of those 6 in the money, you will receive a triple payout. 3 combinations will pay out on the same ticket. Let's hope the longer odds came in. Woohoo!
Recognize the pattern that will provide you with the best opportunity to win this wager. You don't need to handicap every race that will take you forever. To have a small wager on a race, select a pick 3 payout list and match the pattern to the betting options available. Especially if you have a high percentage of winning. Just follow the money. At Horse Racing Nation, they publish percentages of winning favorites at many of your favorite North American tracks. With 50% of your horses winning, you would be cashing in half your wagers. As long as you're receiving even money or better, you should be accumulating a profit. Some tracks seem to have more low-lying fruit than others.
Good luck. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on seasonal track changes and opportunities to find that low-hanging fruit. It's harvest time.